If you have knee pain, rheumatoid arthritis in your knees, poor circulation, this rather simple myofascial yoga series for your knees will be incredibly helpful. Inspired by the pawanmuktasana series, these yoga exercises and myofascial releases using the soft squash ball are designed to rejuvenate the knee joint. By improving circulation of the synovial fluid and lubrication of the areas around your knee joint, revitalizing the tissue and protecting it from degeneration due to excessive pressure, friction, and insufficient lubrication, this series helps with knee pain and rheumatoid arthritis in your knees. The yoga exercises for your knees relieves rheumatoid arthritis and slows down its progression. The movement in this series will strengthen the quadriceps and the ligaments around the knees. Strengthening the tissues around the knee, improving the range of motion, and rejuvenating the knee joint assists the knee by providing support and helps to facilitate a more comfortable cross-legged sitting position. If you have poor circulation in your legs, you will benefit from this series as it helps to relieve tiredness and cramps in the legs. The series helps to improve the circulation of blood and lymph in the body and improves immune function. In addition, this series is excellent for people with heart problems and high blood pressure. This short video offers myofascial release yoga with a soft squash ball. Myo means muscle and fascia refers to the network of connective tissue that surrounds and includes your muscle. The fascial tissues get misaligned due to trauma, injury, poor movement patterns, and emotional stress. Fascia is a system of proprioception. It is rich in nerve endings, so it creates a direct pathway for nerve signals to flow to and from your brain, which aids in proprioception, coordination, and our ability to control our movements. In this video, we're going to use a soft squash ball to isolate the myofascia of your plantar fascia, allowing you to create a neurophysiological response that will enable more range of motion in your knee joint, as well as greater movement and less pain. This ball is a great myofascial release tool that approximates the pressure that you could expect from a massage therapist's thumb. Using the soft squash ball on the bottom of your foot is great at creating a neurophysiological response. The myofascial release influences your nervous system, which actually governs the baseline tone of your muscle. Because your fascial system is rich in nerve endings, the gentle pressure on fascia communicates that there is no longer the need for tension in that area. In the case of this class, the myofascial release using the soft squash ball creates a neurological response that allows you to have greater range of motion in your toes, feet, and ankle joints and your knee joints and experience greater range of motion and less pain. So to unlock the full class, as well as the whole series of 8 myofascial release yoga videos for all the joints of your body, including your toes, feet, ankles, hips, hands, wrists, elbows, shoulders, and neck, then just click on the link below and join our membership community.